Did you know California experiences 500 earthquakes on average every year that are strong enough to be felt by residents? Keep these tips in mind for the next time you feel the earth shake. If you're indoors, drop, cover, and hold on under the nearest solid surface. If you're outdoors, remain outdoors and stay away from tall buildings and structures. And if you are driving, be sure to pull over and set your parking brakes. For more tips and resources on how to reduce injuries during an earthquake, visit ReadyOC.com.